This is a 2003 Ford Explorer. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include a sunroof, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, a power passenger seat, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, dual airbags, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.